Hello everyone. Today we're taking a tour of a sofa factory in South Korea where beautiful and high-quality sofas are born. First, we have the sofa frame assembly process. Every single detail is carefully taken care of, ensuring durability and sturdiness. As you can see, the wood pieces are precisely cut and meticulously joined to create a strong sofa frame. The sofa frame is the foundation of the sofa, and this factory has paid special attention to this process, demonstrating their dedication to their products. Now it's the turn of the fabric. The upholstery is carefully selected from premium materials, ranging from imported genuine leather to high-quality velvet. The diversity in colors and textures allows customers to choose the perfect style to match their preferences and living spaces. You can see the delicate and intricate stitching on the upholstery, exuding a sense of luxury and elegance for the sofa. Next, we have the shaping of the foam cushions. The foam is precisely cut and sculpted into graceful curves, ensuring maximum comfort and adding to the beauty of the sofa. You can see, advanced foam cutting technology allows for the creation of diverse shapes, offering optimal relaxation experiences for users. Once the upholstery is complete, the sofa is assembled professionally. The graceful curves, the subtle details, all blend harmoniously to create a striking work of art. The sofa is a captivating focal point for any space.
간격 잘라고.
마디는 없고 왜
나도 쌀 거야.
Before reaching the customer, the sofas are rigorously inspected, ensuring the highest quality. Every sofa undergoes a thorough inspection for the solidity of the frame, the elasticity of the cushions, and the perfection of the upholstery. This factory prioritizes quality standards, delivering customer satisfaction. Finally, we're at the factory's showroom. The showroom is designed with an elegant aesthetic, showcasing a wide array of sofa styles. The luxurious ambiance reflects the brand's sophistication. With sofas meticulously produced and crafted with high quality, this factory consistently focuses on customer satisfaction. The video has showcased an impressive sofa manufacturing process. From the very first stages to completion, each step is carried out with professionalism and dedication, resulting in stunning sofas of high quality, providing comfort and enhancing the style of your living spaces. Thank you for watching.